We have 2,420 different stocks. Yesterday's closing prices were different from today's closing prices. The number of stocks that closed higher today, so higher today is or equals, the number of stocks that closed at higher price than yesterday was 20% greater. Well, 20% greater, that's going to be 1.2. And I'll show you why in a minute. 1.2 greater than the number that closed at a lower price times the lower price. Because what you need to do, you need to take, the reason it's 1.2, you would need to take that lower price plus 20%, and that would give you how much it increased. And so 1 plus 0.2, that's how I get the 1.2. Let's call lower price X. Now know that today's closing prices, you've either got higher or lower. And so if you add these, the number that closed higher plus the number that closed lower, that has to give you 2420. And I'm trying to figure out how many of the stocks close at a higher price. So I'm trying to find that. All right, so what is higher today? Higher today is 1.2x plus what is lower today, that's x, and that's got to give me 2420. So remember there's a 1 there, so I've got a 2.2x equal 2420. If you want to do long division, you can. I don't really like to do that. This is what I normally do. It's got 2420 divided by 2.2. I'll multiply top and bottom by 10 because 10 over 10 is 1. And I do not multiply the top by 10. I just keep up with that 10. But in the bottom, I make that a whole number. 10 times 2.2 moves that decimal one place to the right. Now I just cancel. 2 will go into 10 5 times. 2 will go into 22 11 times. And I bet 11 goes into 2420. I don't really have a trick for that, except long division. But it's going to be short because 11 will go into 22 2 times, and then they'll bring down that 0. That's going to be 0. So this is 220 times 5. And what is 220 times 5? 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10, but carry 1, so that's going to be 1100. Now what am I trying to find? How many of the stocks close at a higher price? Well, X is the lower price. So you've got to take that 1100 and you're going to multiply it by 1.2. Bring down those zeros. Of course, that's going to be 2, 2. It's going to be 1, 1. So I've got 0, 0, 2, 3, 1, and 1 decimal place. So 1320. Yep, answer D.